The All Manipur Working Journalists Union AMWJU and the Editors Guild Manipur EGM have accused the 20th Jat Regiment and 54GR for violating press freedom. Personnel of 20th Jat Regiment and 54GR yesterday prevented media persons from doing their duties in Sabungkok Kuno area. The media persons had gone to cover the incident of the attack at Sabungkok Kuno village, and during the incident, media personnel of ISTV, Impact TV, ISCOM ISCOM, Tom TV were prevented from covering the incident, and they were also forced to delete whatever footage were taken in their mobile phones. AMWJU and EGM has condemned such act of the 28th Jat Regiment and 54GR and has stated that this is a direct attack on the freedom of speech, and AMWJU and EGM had demanded accountability for the alleged acts of the security personnel. In a joint statement issued by the AMWJU and EGM, it has been stated that they will submit a memorandum to the Chairman, Unified Command, Kuldeep Singh, Security Advisor, and also the Governor of Manipur to look into the series of attacks on media persons since May 3rd.